Hi, this is me from the future. I'm just putting this out there that I'm sorry I haven't been putting nothing out. I've been dealing with a bunch of personal stuff. For anyone who watches this or likes this stuff, I've been through some rough stuff. I'm not going to get into it, but I'm back and I plan to be making more. I just wanted to make this out before you get to the video. So, with all said, enjoy.
Ooh! Come on, you swamp chicken. Ah!
Hold up. Where is that? Head's right here.
I got him right behind the head. I got him in probably the front foot. Oh shit.
Can you pull him over here by me?
I tried to, you fucker. Ah! Ah!
Oh, damn racket for nothing.
You ain't the one on the right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that pipe's back there somewhere. That long one. When I hooked it, yeah, when I hooked him, it came out.
That's great.
Now we really fucked.
Yeah, get into the bank is gonna be a mud back there.
So we're gonna have to walk and pull the boat. Yeah.
Don't. He's right there.
You don't do all that.
You kind of fucked up when you threw the pipe out the boat.
It's over there.
Can you see it?
I seen it a while ago.
You seen it while you? This is up the creek without a paddle type shit here.
This is pinching my asshole.
See? I don't know if they're worth the shit or not.
Oh shit. All right. Come on up.
There's his head right there.
All right, let me give it another pull. Let me cut the line. Ow, my balls! Let me cut the line.
Yeah.
Ah, fuck you.
And paddle us to the bank.
You want me to hold him?
You gonna paddle us or you want me to? I gotta hold that like that, JT.
Hold it.
That way I won't get your fingers on
That's
it.
fine. Oh, he gonna cover the boat. He gonna cover the boat. He gonna cover the boat. Ah!
You got it?
Yeah.
Motor in the water?
I'm about to pick it up. It's in his mouth now.
The motor is?
Yeah. Okay, we're good.
Don't let that thing get twisted.
I know.
Keep it closed. Keep it bent over.
Water cool? Oh.
Keep that pipe closed on him.
Yep, I am.
Over there. It's sinking.
Take your breath if you need to. Come get in and pull the boat.
Callie, no.
Hey, Dad, walk that rope up to him.
Hold up. Hold up. Ready? Here, take it, hold it. Put it down, get on it. Get on his back.
Don't be going behind.
I thought you was holding it for me.
Don't jump on
I
it.
am. There you go.
Yeah, I don't got tape. Got tape, got tape.
I got some. Here.
Oh, well, wrong way.
Oh yeah, that helps.
Got it? Hard him up, dude.
Move your hands down. I'm going for his eyes.